8 Tinker Lane, Greenwich, Connecticut. Located on a lovely, quiet cul-de-sac, circular drive with a pool and over 2 acres. Nice big foyer. The house has a powder room in the front, formal living with contemporary lighting and a big bay window overlooking the 2 acres and pool. Solarium or second family room, fireplace in the living room, formal dining room, large doors out to the deck, staged photo, into the kitchen, again with a nice addition, big windows, nice and bright, desk, door out to the deck, large deck, beautiful outside lawn, pool, beautiful trees, a nice large backyard, very private. House has had many upgrades and updates in the last 10 to 20 years, including roof, HVAC, furnace, all in the last couple of years. Laundry room, back staircase, family room with fireplace, stonework, built-ins, second powder room, entrance to the lower level. Back through the kitchen, lovely eat-in area. Again, new appliances. First floor office or bedroom, depending on how you want to use it. It has a full bath for those guests that don't want to go upstairs, or you can use it as an office. Back to the main foyer. Main set of stairs. Hall bath, family bedroom. Could be office attached to the master or another bedroom, nursery. Master bedroom's very private, tucked away. Multiple walk-in closets, double closets, full bath with jacuzzi and separate shower. Nice big window overlooking the property. An additional walk-in closet. Hardwood underneath the carpet. Multiple linen closets. Another bedroom with a walk-in closet. Again, more hall closets. Back staircase that goes down to the family room. Another bedroom suite. Multiple closets. And full bath. Everything has been updated and upgraded. I'm gonna head down the back staircase to the family room and then to the full basement, which is finished and walk out. Has a sauna, 2 changing rooms, 3-car garage. Sauna in there, 2 changing rooms, another room that could be used as an office or a bedroom on the lower level. New furnace, full bath that can accommodate the pool or the bedroom, and then billiards room with another fireplace, and then door to the outside, and the land and the pool. This home also boasts a second kitchen area that could be used for the pool, and then a nice storage room with a powder room.